and welcome to TBT on Kerry Cat. This week I will be sharing a throwback from I think 2012 or 2013 when I was still scrapbooking the big 12 by 12. In case you didn't know, this channel started as a scrapbooking craft and like kind of doodad activities channel. That's what I like to do to this day. I have tons of videos that I never uploaded or uploaded and deleted. This one I remember thinking I looked very tired, so I didn't want it out there, but now I'm putting it out there. I love the stories, I love the memories, and I hope this encourages you to post your old videos, scrapbooking videos too. Lots of love, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Enjoy!
It's Kerry Cat.
Hey everybody, good morning, happy weekend. It's Kerry from Kerry Cat. I have two layouts to share. Let's talk about this layout. This is DCWV nature paper, and it's gorgeous. They're sparkly, K & Company, Embellies. You make me smile, change is good, and look at this owl. Here it has a journaling spot, so very simple layout. I kind of cut the paper to go over it a little bit. A lot of my layouts are super simple. I want to capture the memory and journaling about, just moving in together, because that was like a big thing. And the next layout is this, and it's a t-shirt I cut up. So this is a restaurant in Hollywood called Birds, and this is a restaurant I first went with my fiance before I even knew him. I just went with a group of people to an apartment near this theater that we used to go to a lot. And I had this t-shirt, and I remember when I got this t-shirt, and then this is the back of the shirt. And so what I did is I just made it into a little tag, and I journaled some more, and I just journaled about all the fun times we had at this restaurant. And so we live far away from it now, and it was just a really a nice time in our lives that we went there. Is if you have t-shirts, number one, you can send them to that company. I think it's like South Carolina or Texas or something. You can Google it, and they take your old t-shirts and they turn them into quilts. I do that with my marathon t-shirt someday. I'm just gonna make like a marathon throw, just because what else do you do with that stuff? I don't know. Cheers today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you later. So bye, ladies.
It's Kerry Cat.